welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing Lavanya Beauty Subscription Box for the month of May. The price for 1 month subscription is Rs299 plus 50 rupees shipping. It means in total you have to pay Rs349. It is one of the affordable subscription box available in India. It can be termed as an all-rounder box as it has some makeup products, some skincare products and some jewelry products too. They used to take their orders through their Instagram store or their WhatsApp number. The details for that I'll be mentioning in the description bar below. The theme of this month was MYOB, that is Make Your Own Box, in which you can select all the products by your own. This time they have provided 4 categories from which you have to select all the products. In category 1 you have to select 2 products, and in categories 2, 3 and 4 you have to select 1 products. Plus there is a bonus gift also. So let's see the categories one by one, and also let's see what I have received this month. So as you can see, all the products have arrived in this cardboard package. As we open it, inside we have all the products. So let's get through the categories one by one. As you can see in the screen, these are the options available for category 1, in which you have to pick any 2 products. So from this category I have picked 2 lipsticks. One is from HR and the other is from Swiss Beauty. So this is how the HR lipstick looks like. HR means Hilary Rhoda. It is the super matte lipstick. I have picked the shade 223. Right now my camera is unable to catch the number, but let me swatch that for you. This is how the shade looks like. This is how shade number 223 looks like. It's a beautiful pink color, or we can call it as mauve color. So yeah, that was the first product which I received. Now in the same category, the second product which I have picked is again a lipstick. It is from Swiss Beauty. It is their pure matte lipstick. These are the details. The product quantity is 3.8 grams. Manufacturing date is 5/2017, best before 5/2021. And you can also see the ingredients list. The shade which I picked up is shade number 25. This is how the lipstick looks like. It's a beautiful classy black packaging. It's completely matte, and as I open it, this is how the bullet looks like. It's a beautiful gorgeous red color. Let me swatch it also for you. Wow, this is how the swatch looks like. It's really a beautiful red color, and both the colors will suit all Indian skin tone. So that was our second product. Now moving on to the category 3, these were the options available, from which I have selected this Cura Natura Aloe Vera Essential Nourishing Moisturizing Body Lotion with multivitamin complex, suitable for all skin types. Quantity is 110 ml. The price mentioned is 120 rupees. Manufactured in March 2018 and best before 28 months from the date of manufacture. These are the other details. You can read it out from here. This is the texture of the body lotion. It's neither too runny nor too greasy. The formulation is perfect for all skin types, and you can also use this in these summer days. Now moving on to the third category, these were the options available, and I went with this. This is activated charcoal powder for face and teeth from Ahara Cosmetics. Quantity is 15 grams and the price is 190 rupees. Manufactured in January 2019 and best before January 2021. It is a plastic bottle. And after opening, it looks like this. It's a pure charcoal powder and it has no odor. So that was the next product. Now coming to category 4, these were the options available. From this, I picked up this oxidized mirrored ring. It's really beautiful. This is actually a mirror. This is how it looks after wearing. Wow, it's nice. It's really beautiful. My hands look so beautiful. So that was the next product. And at last, so this is the pair of a beautiful cute looking studs which I received as the free gift. You can pair this up with any of your outfits. These are simple yet elegant and are really cute. So yeah, that was all which I received in my Lavanya box for the month of May. In my opinion, this box is really a value for money box, as you are getting some of the skincare products, some makeup products and some jewelries too. In total you have to pay rupees 349 and the original price for all the products sum up around 900 plus. It's quite a good deal. So if you want to buy, I'll be mentioning the buying links in the description bar. So yeah, that was all for today's video. If you liked it, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. This is Anamika signing off. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.